Good afternoon and welcome to the MERI Space Club Daily Space Bulletin. As we continue to witness humanity's expanding footprints beyond Earth, MERI Space Club invites you to stay informed, stay curious and stay inspired. In mythology, Mercury, the swift messenger god. Its name derives from the Germanic god Woden, also known as Odin, equated by Romans with Mercury through Interpretatio Romana, linking the day to themes of communication, travel, intellect and trickery. This planetary association persisted across cultures, influencing rituals for wisdom and commerce. Before we begin, here's today's space thought. Neil deGrasse Tyson on space. Space exploration is a force of nature up to itself that no other force in society can rival. These highlights how cosmic pursuits drive innovation and human progress like nothing else. Tyson emphasizes space's unmatched power in uniting and advancing humanity. Let's talk about today's top developments in space. Mercury's atmosphere is an ultra-thin exosphere constantly changing due to solar wind stripping and surface interactions. It fluctuates rapidly with elements like sodium, potassium and oxygen escaping via sputtering or radiation pressure. Creating a comet-like tail, no stable weather occurs, but composition shifts with solar activities. Geological clues to the past atmosphere states salt glacier and VRL such as messenger data reveals bright volatile rich layer deposits suggesting ancient salt layers from a collapsed primordial hot atmosphere, possibly with temporary water pools via volcanism. Talking about the chaotic terrains, knob fields and hollow indicate volatile loss about 1.8 billion years ago with recent collapses from solar heating on a buried ice organics antipodal to Caloris Basin. Thrust faults, if we talk about them, then small young scarps show ongoing contraction and tectonic activity as the planet cools, thrusting crust upwards. Let us talk about the Mercury missions by the national and international agencies. NASA's sole Mercury mission, MESSENGER, that lasted from 2005 to 2015, mapped the planet and revealed its surprising magnetic field and possible ice deposits. No follow-ups were funded, with focus shifted to Moon, Mars and outer planets. European Space Agency and Japan's Space Agency led with BepiColombo launched in 2018, entering the orbit around November 26, mapping surface, magnets and exosphere around the dual orbit MPO and MIO. European Space Agency's JAXA's BepiColombo remains on track for November 2026, orbits its sixth flyby. Trajectory changes or Indian involvements around ISRO is not yet stated. India has no Mercury plans globally, no new missions beyond BepiColombo or NASA's post-messenger efforts prioritize other targets. If we talk about the Russian Space Agency, that is the Roscosmos, it introduced mission Mercury P, telling about the status. They proposed a lander but weren't funded. Similarly, talking about NASA's Mercury lander, it was proposed for 2035 launch but hasn't been selected yet. Stating about the recent BepiColombo updates, sixth flyby, Jan 2025, imaged North Pole craters, possibly icy, tested instruments amid solar wind. 1 year countdown marked October 2025. MPO or MEO to separate post-arrival for dual orbit science. Let's talk about the thruster glitch 2024. It was delayed arrival by 11th months but science intact. Today's Mercury Odyssey bridges cosmic enigmas and relentless ingenuity, fueled by global collaboration. Unraveling its secrets illuminates not merely scientific triumphs but our timeless quest to touch the stars. And with that, we conclude today's Space Bulletin. This is Janya Batra signing off for the day.